Very likely that if you started selling on Amazon in 2026 without watching this video, you would try and list books and you'd find 90% of books you can't list. You'd try listing CDs and DVDs and you'd find that you can't list any, and you'd leave without making any money and you'd have a very sour taste in your mouth. And you tell people during Thanksgiving and Christmas that you tried the Amazon thing and it just didn't work out and you don't think that this is for you or really anybody in 2026. It's just, how can you sell on a platform that doesn't let you sell anything? But because you're watching this video, you're actually going to understand how to sell books, how to sell CDs, DVDs, how to get ungated, how to build trust with Amazon so they don't think you're an Indian scammer shipping counterfeit textbooks from overseas, and how to really build a real business out of it. But step number one is going to be set up an Amazon account if you haven't already. Go to sell.amazon.com because I know a lot of you are brand new watching this. So be sure to first get your Amazon account set up. Then understand that some books you're going to be able to list. And what you can do is download the list below. Getting this free list of ASINs, you can either manually copy these one by one into Seller Central, or the faster way is just get a free trial of Go To Lister, go on over to the bulk Ungate checker, copy and paste these ASINs in. Right here, click enter. It's already checking them, and you can see this account's actually a few years old, but it's still gated in several books because it doesn't have that much trust with Amazon yet because the sales volume on this account's not high. So once you get your Amazon account set up, the next thing to do is list as many books that Amazon lets you list as possible. Get sales, keep sending shipments to Amazon. Amazon has a program where they store, prep, ship the books for you. It's called FBA. You can put your books in a box, ship them there. They'll literally handle customer service, everything. You don't have to worry about it. Just make sure you're sending good books out. I'll link more videos below on how to determine if books are good or not. But the more books you send, the more trust you're going to build, and eventually they'll let you sell all books. Now with CDs and DVDs, it's a little bit different. There's actually a website we can go to get ungated. christianbook.com. So you can get ungated in DVDs and also CDs. I was told a lie back in the day when I first started selling on Amazon. Somebody told me you need to buy DVDs that are over $25 in order to get ungated. And that was crazy advice. I actually listened to it, but you can pay 50 cents for a DVD. Here's a CD. So what you would do is just take this UPC, which is right here, this number, or you could just copy and paste this. Go ahead and go to the add a product page, which on Seller Central, click the top left and you'll see add products, paste that there. Then it's going to have you request and it's going to show you this. And that's where you're going to order 10 units or maybe even 100 units of a CD. And this is going to work per category. So CDs is a separate category than DVDs. So you're going to need different invoices for each one. And just make sure the invoice includes all the information that Amazon needs. It's going to be dated, within the last 180 days because you just did it. Make sure the name, address, matches your seller account. So on your seller account, go to your information and make sure the address, the business address on file matches. Include the name, address, and manufacturer. That's all going to be included from christianbook.com. It may be 100 units, but if you're serious about this, it's going to be worth it. I'm not saying do this, but these companies do have good return policies, or find an item that you could sell on Amazon and at least break even on. And then the rest of these, you don't have to worry about. Everything will be good with christianbook.com. The invoice or receipt is going to be emailed to you. You can email them if you need it. If they don't send it in time, you can just reply to one of their emails and say, hey, could I please have an invoice for this order or receipt? The receipt's going to work. It's going to function as the invoice. So take that receipt with all the information that is already there. Make sure everything's good, upload it to Amazon, and you probably will not go through the first time. It's probably going to take 10 tries. It might take 15 tries, but as long as all the information's good, you are going to get ungated in CDs and DVDs. As you grow and evolve as an Amazon seller, this is generally how to get ungated anything. I just recently got ungated in DeWalt. They do 50 million in sales each month, and they have a lot of resellers. So I'm really excited about being able to sell that brand. But I was trying to use a white cap invoice, which is like a huge company. It's like Home Depot, and they would not accept it. But when I went to Granger.com, they accepted it. So in the same world as books, you could go to like a huge book website and upload the invoice to Amazon and it might not work. But I'm telling you, christianbook.com are the invoices that they want to see. Another weird tip that can help you is if you get rejected 5 or 6 times or more, take the invoice, turn it upside down on your computer. You can have ChatGPT do it and then re-upload it to Amazon. And sometimes that worked. That worked for me getting Ungated into Walt. And anytime you guys have any questions at all about ungating, please reach out to me. If you have trouble getting ungated CDs and DVDs, I will help you. Just DM me at Roma the Roamer on Instagram, or you can reach out to me, comment on any of my videos, or go on Facebook, go to Lister group if you guys are Go To Lister members. If you haven't already, get your free trial. It's the fastest listing software on the planet. You need it to list books on Amazon. And really, if you want to have a good experience selling on Amazon, you got to have a third-party listing software, and it tells you your profit analytics too. So be sure to grab your free trial. Go to Lister below. I think that's about it, guys. Build trust with Amazon. Know how to submit the right invoices. Be relentless, and realize sometimes you got to submit 10, 15 times just to get ungated. And, if you didn't watch this video and you're brand new, you'd think that, oh, Amazon doesn't want me to sell books. No, they just want to build trust with you over time. They want to see that you're not shipping counterfeit books from overseas. And then number 2, they want to know that for whatever reason, you can buy a book from christianbook.com, and in Amazon's eyes, that makes you legit. It's just a weird glitch in their system. And that's how all ungating works at scale if you are an Amazon seller. So welcome to the world of selling on Amazon. Any questions you guys have, please comment below. Much love. Catch you next video.